Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make stew and idiyappam. First, gather your ingredients for both dishes. For the stew, you will need fresh vegetables like carrots, potatoes, and green beans, along with coconut milk and spices. For idiyappam, you will need rice flour, water, and a pinch of salt. We will begin by preparing the stew, then move on to the idiyappam dough. To prepare the stew, begin by heating 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a pot. Sauté 1 chopped onion and 2 green chilies until fragrant, about 3 minutes. Next, add 1 cup of mixed vegetables such as carrots, potatoes, and green beans. Pour in 1 cup of thin coconut milk and simmer until the vegetables are tender, which takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Finally, stir in 1/2 cup of thick coconut milk and a pinch of black pepper, heating gently without boiling. Now, let's prepare the idiyappam dough. Bring 2 cups of water to a rolling boil, adding 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of oil. Slowly add 2 cups of rice flour to the hot water, stirring continuously to prevent lumps. Mix until a soft, pliable dough forms. Remove from heat and let it cool slightly. Once cool enough to handle, knead the warm dough gently for about 5 minutes until it becomes smooth and uniform. For the final step, we will steam the idiyappam. Load the prepared dough into an idiyappam press fitted with a fine disc. Press the dough into delicate, thin strands directly onto greased idli plates or a steamer basket. Steam the idiyappam for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until they are soft and cooked through. Serve these freshly steamed, light idiyappam warm, paired perfectly with your flavorful vegetable stew for a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.